Hello guys. The internet went away. Um, we're live again though. That was unfortunate. Would have been live for like an hour. We're live again though. Alright, so I got the window class done. I don't know how far we got last time. I've written some documentation and so on. But yeah, I started working with the shader class now. I've also added some default constructors to some classes because we'll need that later now. Anyways, let's just go with this vertex shader is equal to vertex to vertex shader and pass for the vertex shader source. This fragment shader is equal to fragment shader source. And then of course we probably also want the shader program here, so we'll ask for the fragment shader. So we'll ask for a const char, or we'll create a shader program out of them. So we would want a shader program. The internet is down for some reason. I can't tell. It's not connecting, is it? No. It seems like it's unable to connect properly, so that's annoying. Well, is it? No. It seems like it's unable to connect properly, so that's annoying. I don't have any other internets to connect to, or at least that sucks. Oh, fuck it. We'll just have to live with this then. Well, is it? No. It seems like it's unable to connect properly, so that's annoying. I don't have any other internets to connect to properly, so that's annoying. Well, I don't have any other internets to connect to. It seems to be working now, so yeah, okay. It might be terrible quality though. I can't do much about that. I guess it just did not want me to stream today, huh? Well, that's fine. We can just go with this. Shader program is equal to shader program, and then pass through the vertex stuff. This dot vertex shader and this dot fragment shader, and that should create a shader program. So now we've basically got everything that we need. We still need to verify that they actually succeeded, but that we can do in Omi. That at least means that we now only need to create a shader. We don't need to create everything, since that's handled by everything else. So for the color shaders, we'll go shader color shader is equal to shader, and then let's pass for the vertex shader color source and the fragment shader color source. And now for this we'll go if color vertex. We'll still need these though, but we will just use these ones right here. So if color vertex shader color shader dot vertex shader dot shader is valid, right? Wow. Oh. I forgot. We should probably just rename the internal classes to be GL shader. Just so it doesn't get conflicted. GL shader. Well, we did do that up here. We called it GL window. I also renamed it to GL window so it wouldn't conflict with anything else. But yeah. This is now GL window. Class GL window. Public GL window. That's it. That's all I've changed. And now I'll go down to a shader and change that as well. In our internal.h, we have not made that change. We have, okay. Cubic, we want to call it GL GL shader now, just so we can keep the differences between the internal and external ones now. Now it works. So yeah, we just check for OR. So OR color shader dot fragment shader dot shader is equal to 0, or color shader dot shader program dot shader program is equal to 0. And now we can essentially remove all of this code now because we don't need it. Same thing we can do here. As for deleting, it works very similar. So yeah. But I'll wait with that. As first time I want to and set the vertex. I want to go in and create a new shader. Vertex shader is equal to shader vertex flag. And then afterwards I essentially just go do the same thing. If text shader dot vertex shader dot shader is equal to 0, or dot fragment shader dot shader is equal to 0, or text shader dot shader program dot shader program is equal to 0. Then just go do these. Or else we can just go and get rid of the rest and go call it there. As that's inherently all we need. Now instead of going and doing this, we can now just go text shader dot shader program dot use. Same up here. Color shader dot shader program dot use. And same with this one. Go color shader dot shader program. And with here we just do the same thing. Color shader dot vertex shader dot delete shader. Or color shader dot fragment shader dot delete shader. Here we go. Shader dot shader program. And here we go. text shader dot vertex shader, and here we go, text shader dot fragment shader, and good. Now, creating textures and stuff, we could technically make this simpler, but for the time being, I mean, we will get around to doing this at some point. And again here, now we would go text shader program use, we'll go shader program use. And anyway, I'll just window dot should close. I should rename this to something else, but yeah. Window full events. I should really expand it so it can do more stuff. Shader ground text shader dot shader use, and here color shader dot shader program dot use. And the ImGui stuff will pretty much stay the same. So color shader dot shader program dot use. Color shader dot shader program dot use. Use, and here text shader dot shader program dot use, and here window, and there we go. That's all we really need to do now. Everything should work correctly now. Another thing that we don't need to do is that we already removed the place where we create the stuff. So, but as you can see, it's not that long. It's not that much code anymore. It's still like 300 lines of code, but we removed a lot of the shader and window code that we had before, and a lot of the initialization code of GLFW and glad and ImGui has also been removed now because we don't really need that code. We can just put them inside of the window class. So yeah. Also, this now, because it's a class, it needs to be like this now. If this works, should just be able to run it. And it ImGui was the internal cubic.h. Ignore it on left of mat when no variable is declared. Window internal. Oh, there's some issues here, I see. This would be well, ignore it. Window, we can fix that one. 29. What would that be? 29. 229. 229. Oh yes, this should be Joe window. That's at least fixed now. Missing before identifier. Oh yeah, I should probably go ahead and add that to the internal. Let's see, because it seems to have the same issues as well. When we go down to the matte draw cubic, this should be gel window, like that right there. So yeah. I don't know why this is not valid. Oh wait, I don't even know what I meant. A is not a member of vector 4. What's that? The H 190. That is what? This is not good. It says, oh no, that's C++. Okay, good. So that's C++ 190. That's so many lines of code here, man. 190. Yes, it's actually W now, so that's fine. We need to make sure that that's correct. Alright, that's it though. Still, those 2 errors should be fixed now. Dot C++. This user void is invalid. That's the header file. I think most of the rest of the ones on here. 229. That's this line. $229. How is this void invalid? I think that it's missing a no, but I've added them to all of these, so it shouldn't be a problem. That's interesting. Well, that's weird. This one is 128. Let's take a look at it. Is it in the C++? No. Oh. What is wrong here? What? This is 128 or 220. It's internal cubic.h. There's no static here. Ignored on left of mat when no variable is declared. So it has something to do with mat, I guess. The one that we used for stuff like that. Mat. Yeah, static. It's a static class though. Ignored on left of mat when no variable is declared. What does that mean? How do you go on about fixing that? I guess one way that Let's recompile again. Okay, it still gives me some errors, but most of them seem to have been fixed by that. This is the only errors left to deal with now. Alright, the other errors have been fixed now, so, oh wait, no. GL window, no appropriate default constructor available. What do you mean? The thing has a default constructor. Where's the window? Oh, it does not, but wait a minute. We can fix that. But how did it do it before? Oh, yeah, that's right. We need to pass through the GLFW window, of course. W window, not that. Although that should have been more obvious. No, I do think we just need to pass through the GL window. Although again, I don't know why I would need a default constructor since it's a parameter. But there is a fix for this. But I think our main issue is this: how do we get rid of this? Oh. Oh, you can't make them static. That's nice to know, but we can just make everything inside of it static, so it doesn't really matter. C++ is weird. You can't make static classes. Yep, there we go. This is the only error now. I wonder why I didn't get that warning last time. Maybe we didn't test it last time, you know. Well, the easiest fix for GL window not wanting to work is just to could just ask for the actually no, since this is this code we can't do that. But could just do GL window and then go and go GL window to default. Easy fix. There we go, guys. What's my MGUI? Uh-oh. This is not good. In terms of this, we could probably fix this because this is the error that we're getting. So yeah, at least we figured that much out. I don't know here, but I will need to train my C++ abilities a little better. I'm considering just remaking this entire project, as I want to get a better understanding of how things work. And I've already gone really far, but my main problem right now is that things are getting kind of overwhelming now, and if I continue, it will just ruin my motivation. But we'll see. If we can get OpenGL up and running, then yeah, I'll continue. I like images or something for it. That was not helpful. So like, in terms of like,
in this tutorial, use version 330 of GLSL. Keep in mind that you're not supposed to understand why we wrote all this stuff. You simply have to write this to set up IMGUI. Now, if you run the...
Yeah, this is how it's meant to look like, but it looks differently, I assume, due to how we have done it, which causes some issues. I guess the easiest thing to do would probably to print it all out, see what we get. So down in all cubic, well, actually would be this one, oven or window. I want to see what this gives us, because it must give us something. I guess we should probably find some better formatting though. So yeah, like proper formatting. Because I know it's possible to go what dot two. Oh wait, no, that's C#. Because with a format and so on, if I go up here, if I go on include string and include format, we can format them to other things too. So cubic dot. I know that now we can go with a string. We can go std2 chars, which, if I am not wrong, this should no instance of overload matches. What does 2 chars do? It should convert it to a char. Wait. like this will do. So I guess instead of needing all of this, we could just do this and then go const type SL is equal to, and go with this, and go with just password default SL. The problem is that that's exactly what we have been doing, but this clearly gives some different results. So let's go. See, can we see out this? See out. It'd be cool to see what it would print. Well, I forgot to use endl. End line. What? I was streaming is imported. Oh yeah, my bad. Wrong one. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Could also so here I would love for some format, for some string formatting, because if we could do that, this would probably be easy. It is something that is supported, so we can do is that we can go format like this, and then go comma. Well, for now, if we just pass in what? Oh, I can string, of course. Yeah, wow. What do you mean? What? Right. Let's convert this to a chow away. As the alternative, we could just go the C string, which if I'm not wrong, should convert it. Alright, we figured it out. At long last, we're done. Everything works now. I haven't live for how long? 30 minutes. Live stream still works, it seems. Nice. Live streams. Alright. So everything works now. We can continue. I don't know what else to really work on now. I think if I were to redo this, I would want to read up on a bunch of the language's features because C++ has many of them. And if I can learn how to properly use C++, I could probably write something pretty alright. Right now, I'm learning as I'm writing this code. No. I don't really. Let's see. Object, here we go. So when you create an object, we would need some sort of vertex array that we would need to pass through to the object, right? Oh wait, no, this is handled down here. Object requires a vertex array, of course. So yeah. But object shouldn't really do much. We mainly want color object to do stuff. So with color object, we'll just go color. We would want to go after all of this. Textures, shaders, leading text shaders, create another textures, square, indices, and VO. This is where we are. Right. So these are the vertices. We want to pass through some vertices. We'll just go with the color object and texture object. We'll require some vertices to be passed through. Keep the vertices here, which should be a. What did we come to? What's it called? A vector. Vector of vertices. Then we would keep vector indices. Why is this invalid? Argument list for class template. How did we do this last time? Wow. Oh yeah, we gotta make sure to specify what type, of course. It should be float. At least that works now. So after this, in our object, we should store both the vertices and indices. It has the VAO, VBO, and EBO, but nowhere to actually store the vertices themselves. But I don't know, like, oh yeah, if we need to modify the size or something like that, we would want to have the vertices around so you can access them. So public public vector vertices. This should be a float. That's it. Then here we want to go in and set the this object vertices. And then go this dot vertices is equal to object vertices. And then afterwards, let's go indices. I mean, in case you want to change the object in how it's rendered, then yeah, I guess we could keep a place for the indices as well. The vector float indices. So we can go object indices. What's that? Indices equal to object indices. There we go. And then finally, inside here, instead of making these private, we're gonna make them protected. And then we don't need this at all. We can just leave that out, because now we can just go this dot and we have access to them all. So VAO would be equal to VAO. It requires what? Nothing. There's that. VBO is equal to VBO, which requires all vertices, but no? No, but it has an override, doesn't it? Yeah, they have some overrides. If I remember right, the documentation states that it doesn't have any variables, but the VBO should contain the vertices. The EBO should contain the indices. So you get the vertices, and this dot EBO is equal to EBO and indices. Why is this throwing an error now? No instance of constructor EBO matches the argument types float. Yeah, that is what it is. It's a indices. What the fuck, man? What's now up with this? Why is it always broken? See, oh, it's because it has been unsigned in. I'm an idiot. How can I forget about that? It's an unsigned int. There we go. You happy now? Yeah. No? Why are you not happy? Why won't you work? Okay, maybe it's just glitched or something, I don't know. It's still showing the errors. I've done exactly what it asks me to do though. It takes in an unsigned int. It takes in an unsigned int. It says unsigned int. What? Okay, it should not be a problem. Let me go back and this? Color object requires those. And this is still throwing errors. Why throwing errors? It's an unsigned integer. And what is with this? No operator. What? Oh, I think I got it now. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that's why. Wait, doesn't the VB and EB already store the indices? And they do. Oh my god, we don't actually need this here. We don't need this here. We don't need anything public. We can just have protected in the object. Because those should already keep them around. That's right, because it's the object vertices that we need to pass through, and the object indices that we need to pass through. There we go. Now things are working properly. Okay. That much figured out. For windowing the object, we would use the window function, right? Wasn't the oh, that's right. We need a draw. So draw color object. That should be a separate function though. Let's do the texture object, which needs very much the same exact things. With some extra stuff. So we already did all of this, so we just need to get the texture. That's all. Then of course the object to render the texture onto. If I go cubic, no, come back here. Internal cubic dot instead of asking for a file path, I just ask for a texture. Texture text, then we'll ask for the vector. We can just ask for the float object vertices. Fix that. dd vector float unsigned int object indices. There we go. And then we'll also go ahead and just say that we would need a draw function, right? We need something that can draw it. There should be an improvement over there. So if I go back into our main now and I go we can now create objects, but we don't have a way to render them. Oh, and all of this should be handled by it, but we already know what these are gonna be anyways. We have already determined them through here. Although I guess we wouldn't need to create these, we can just create a object and access them for that. So object this would be the what? Object 1 is equal to object, and what does this need? Actually it should be a color object. if I remember correctly, color object, and color object requires the color, and then it's right because the color object takes in how many arguments? How many arguments does the color take? It's RGB, right? RGBA. Don't remember. Internal cubic docs. Come on. Yeah, RGBA. Okay. Go. 1F, 1F, 1 I, 1 F, 0F, 1 0F, 1 0F. Let's see. And then when we draw we'll have to take each separate one in, but that's fine. Now, with this we get the color. We still need the vertices and the indices, and there we go. Now we can just go object one dot right, they're protected. We could also just have this handled by, we could also just make them public. I don't think it really matters much whether they're public or not. Let's go in and fix that. Let's go make these public. There we go. One dot. One dot. One dot. One dot. One dot. One dot. And this is unnecessary now. Now, in terms of drawing, we would need the exact same thing to happen to the thing here. But this time, I think this is the texture. Oh no, it's the opposite way. Object 1 is the textured object. What was it called? The texture object, right? Oh, it's just a texture object. Yeah. Go put this over here. Color object object 2 is equal to color object. Object 2. Object 2 dot object 2 dot object 2 dot. And again, now it's actually that VBO instead, so that's nice. And again, here it would be just object 2 dot VBO, object 2 dot VBO, and object 2 dot VBO. Yeah, that's how it is now. This we can keep around for now. But for the time being, we need to pass through what? This would be vertices too, but the same indices. And the third square should be another color square. We can do the same thing here, just duplicate this over here. Oh, that's right. Why does the color object have a color? I don't know. And the vertices themselves already display the color. Oh, it doesn't matter by now. We'll figure that one out later. Video. This should be object free. Go object free dot VBO dot VBO object free dot VBO object free dot VBO. Go here, object free dot VBO object free dot VBO and object free dot VBO. Done. That was quick. So now we are almost done, really. I don't see what we have. Oh yeah, right here. So now we just require to pass through a texture, all vertices and indices, and we're done. That's it. Well, I guess that would clean it up a little because we don't need to create as much stuff, but it's still quite long. Like, it's still about 300 lines long, but yeah. Oh yeah, we have this as well. Now we just need to use. Couldn't we just add a function to the object called destroy all that destroyed all of these? So like go object public void destroy all, and then in or cubic.c++ we could just go in after this object object destroy all, and this one would just basically go in and it's US, that's all. Object destroy all, and why is it firing now? Oh yeah, I forgot to type it. Actually, no, it's there we go. And we can just go and call this dot viewer dot destroy this dot VBO dot destroy this dot EBO dot destroy, and then call it there. So it destroys everything. Because that would be less work overall having to put into this. So we've made quite a few changes. So the object does not have an object class anymore. The color object also has the parameters of color object has the indices. This one now takes in the texture. Okay, this is its new one, so it also has the object vertices. Should be vector. These are public as well now. Public. And this now, remove. We already got these classes here to handle that. Vector float object vectors. Vertices. Object. Indices. Technically, this would be unnecessary. Object. I do think we should add a little note here. or at least make it optional, as it's not technically needed. And here it's the same thing, except we now need the texture path. Instead we need the texture. The texture and the object should use. And there we go, we're making some progress. We don't need more on this, I think it's fine. Internal. Yeah, now object has public destroy all. Public void destroy all. Objects. That's it. I think that's about it though. If I go back here, we can now just use object one dot destroy all. Oh wait. 2 dot destroy all, and then object 3 dot destroy all. That's it now. This is now object 2 dot. Oh wait, no. Yeah. 2 dot. Object position. This doesn't need anything really. Object scale. We can keep that the same. I think that's about it though. So yeah. So again, object position. This would be set, so it doesn't really work, but object color, viewport color, and then if I scroll a little down, we can change the scale of the object. All of this works just fine. So yeah, that's nice. So yeah, I've been live for about 2 hours now. I think we got to work on the scripting of it. I think next time I'll start working on more of the internal stuff, getting the coordinate system up and running. Not this one, but this one right here. Getting some coordinate systems. So yeah, I think it's our next step. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.